Yo, what it do, Croc fam? It's your boy, man, and I'm back with another one. Man, with this one, y'all, we're going to talk about something a little different, man. We talking Crocs accessories, Croc accessories, know what I'm saying? We talking Croc costumes, know what I'm saying? It's crazy after so many years of DIY, seeing everybody make Crocs costumes. They done finally spent the block, and what better time to spend the block when Halloween is coming up. It is going down. I just want to know, like, who all got their Crocs costumes. These things been out for like a week or two now. They on the Croc site, 50 bucks. Gotta have one. If you're not wearing it, at least to put it in the collector, know what I'm saying? You could just let it like sit in the collection off to the side, because this thing right here is gonna be a hot commodity down the line once they sell out on these things. I'm telling you right now, man. Good old Crocs costume. This bag right here. Nice good old plastic. Something that you can keep, something that's gonna last. And it's crazy that it's Crocs branded, because I'll mess around and throw some Crocs on the inside of this board. You know what I'm saying? Some showcase type deals. So I'm most definitely keeping this plastic right here for show. Like I say, y'all, we talking Crocs costume. Had to get me one. Had to get me one, man. I think I'm gonna wear mine, man. It's crazy. My girl was up there talking about, we got to get these Crocs costumes and wear them on Halloween. And I was like, I already got one coming or whatever. I got to do a review on one. So I ordered another one. I got the left side. Since I'm left-handed, I got a right one coming in. But like I say, man, you got to have the good old Crocs classic costume. And like I say, once these things gone, they going to be classic. The classical regime of it is gonna hold his name. I'm telling you, just like the Crocs McDonald's keychains, which I just need one of them, by the way. We're gonna talk about that review real soon. I just gotta get number 2. I got the other ones and I got doubles or whatever, but this is gonna be classical work. This is gonna be vintage work that we talking about, and this thing right here is huge. I like the material. The material of it, you know what I'm saying, is real soft, real cushiony, like kind of Velcro-ish, like on the inside. And I see that came with these with the jibbit pack, which you pretty much just stick on there with the Velcro as well. And let's see what's up in this jibbit. Should have had the little push button on this one. Oh, they got the fold tab on it. Got a dog paw game remote, which I'm finna be back on the game. If you on PS5, man, drop them PSNs in the comments for me, because I'm picking up that Undisputed later on today. See what that Undisputed hitting on. That's gonna put me back on the game. And if you boys want to get live, we could get live. You know what I'm saying? Got a sunflower donut. I love me some donuts minus the sprinkles on there. I can't do the sprinkles. And then we got a heart. Man, it's pretty cool right there. We got to get some more jibbitz in too, so we can customize this costume up. And it's crazy because I think we'll be able to do some DIY on the jibbitz. All we need is just Velcro stickers to put on the back. But man, for the ones that don't know what we got in front of us right now, we got this classics Croc costume. And like I say, man, for all the DIYs out there, everybody that's been putting this thing together over the years, look no further. Now you could have the real deal Crocs branded costume. Know what I'm saying? And like I say, this thing here, it's gonna be classical. It's gonna be classical work. See what's going on, man. See what it say. Made in China, Crocs branded. See if the inside got a tag. No tag on the inside, which was awkward. I thought they should have put that original vintage tag. Oh, I lied. It's a tag in there. It's a tag in there. Let's get that. Do we see that there, people? It's a Crocs tag in there. So yeah, it's official. It's official. A Crocs branded costume. Know what I'm saying? And I know I be saying branded a lot. I'm not too big on always having the name brand stuff, but man, when we talking about one of our favorite brands in particular, of course you want the authenticity. Know what I'm saying? When you talking about one of your favorites, and Crocs just so happened to be one of my favorites. So anytime I can get some real deal Crocs branded material, it's going down. Know what I'm saying? That's just like I just found a vintage Crocs shirt with the Crocs tag in the inside. The Croc scrubs that I got, those real Croc scrubs. So it's just like, man, yeah, we about getting that authenticity, you know what I'm saying, on point. And this thing right here, it's just beautiful. I'm loving it. I'm loving everything about it. As a matter of fact, before we go to the try-on, because I feel like we can chat it up more with this thing gone. Before we go to the try-ons, let's just get a close-up on it. Just get a close-up on this thing. Get the flash on it. And like I say, you could get this off of the Croc site. One size fit all. This thing just beautiful, y'all. That material cushiony, like, real cushiony, like. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You see the brand in there. You see the brand. You see the material. Velcro. Yes, sir. It is going down. It is going down. The strap. Man, let's get this thing on. Let's get this thing on and we'll talk more about this dog. DIY gang, look no further. You got your branded Crocs costume, know what I'm saying? They done finally came through with the costume after so many years. Let's go ahead and get these jibbitz on here, our Velcro jibbitz. And these boys here are removable. Where we at? Get it on now. So y'all see what it is, man. The good old Crocs costume. One fits all. One fits all. You see the strap. I guess we in chill mode unless we put the strap in the back. Y'all see what's up. Can't believe I agreed to wear this. Yep. Once again, Croc fam, I want to know who all came through with this good old Crocs classic costume. Know what I'm saying? You see how we coming. You know what it is. You know what it ain't. Know what I'm saying? Good old Crocs classic costume in the fold. Halloween coming up. If you're out of ideas, you don't know what to do, just be your favorite thing, you know what I'm saying? Just be a Croc. Tap in with your boy, man. Let me know what we doing, man. The good old classic Crocs costume. Jip!